Yo, want to switch game modes in Minecraft fast? Whether you're building, surviving, or testing, I'll show you how to do it in seconds. Let's go. In Java Edition, pause the game and hit Open to LAN. Make sure cheats are enabled like so. This unlocks commands which we'll use to change the game mode. Now here's the first way. Hold F3 and press F4 to cycle through game modes. Alternatively, type /game mode space mode -- game mode survival dash and hit enter. Done. You've switched modes instantly. That's it. You've mastered changing game modes in Minecraft. Like this video for more tips, subscribe for weekly hacks, and tell me, why do you switch game modes? Drop it below. Stay creative, and I'll see you next time.